Hey everybody, this morning we're gonna make some biscuits. And it's simple, just 3 ingredients: self-rising flour, 2 cups, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 1 stick of frozen butter. I have unsalted, so I put a little salt in my flour. So it took a long time for me to figure out how to make biscuits. It seemed like I learned the hardest stuff first, and then the easy stuff was hard for me. Any of y'all that cook is like that? So here I'm going to just grate this butter into here. So I hope all is well with everybody. And how many of y'all already know how to make biscuits? And do you have a good recipe? And one of the key things too about this is not over stirring it. All you gotta do is just make sure that the ingredients is mixed. And then when I cut it out, you want to make sure that that when you press down to cut it, that you don't twist it while you cutting it. You just, it's one simple stroke and back up. And I'll show y'all that when I get to it. I preheated my oven on 450, and it should take about 15 till they golden brown, how you like it. And it's and then make sure all your ingredients is cold, like your buttermilk. Make sure it's cold, not room temperature. Try to mix it in as I go. At the end, because I'm not cutting myself with this grate, I just cut it up with a knife. See, that's how the shred look. but this don't even take long. Okay, I'm gonna add the cup of buttermilk. Flour going everywhere. Let me get a spatula. Oh, they already look good. Just get it well combined. That's it. That's all you need. That's it. That's how it look. I don't know how many inches supposed to, you know, like they say 2 to 3 inches. Make it how it's your biscuit, so make it how you want it. I'm trying to get all of it. Okay, it's gonna be kind of sticky, so make sure you flour your base or whatever you call it. It's still early, y'all. So we fold it a couple times in this flour. flatten it out. How thick I want my biscuits. Yeah, you definitely gotta flour your counter. Let me get some more flour. Sorry about that. When you making recipes with bread, you rather for it to be wetter, so you can add a little flour, than for it to be dry. Cause you could just add when it's too wet, and but when it's too dry, you kind of can't go backwards. I got this little cap. I'm gonna press down, almost twist it up, straight down and straight up. Don't, you know, we want to just like, but no, just straight up. It's something about it seals it or something like that. Up. I need a where's that knife? Hold on. We go see. Then you just roll it some more, combine it together, and keep on cutting till you out of dough. And it's still sticking. Yep, you don't got to keep on. I think the more you work with it, if you work with it too much, you'll melt the butter. So I got 7 so far. So you could double up the recipe if you want to. How many ever biscuits you need? Let's see if we get 2 more out of here. I wonder if I could just shake this into, yeah, a biscuit. So I got 9. I'm going to clean up a little bit, and I'll be back. Y'all, can you see this? I'm about to butter them up. These look good. I don't know why it took me so long to get this right. Let me throw some butter on them, and I'll bring it back. Okay, look at this. OMG. This is amazing. So, y'all try this. Let me know in the comments if y'all make biscuits, if y'all go try this one. And when you try it, let me know how it turned out. But these look really good. Y'all have a blessed one. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll have the recipe down in the description box.